We have all heard the phrase, "Don't tell me, show me," and know that many students learn best seeing the problem through multiple lenses or apertures. AI can help provide these alternate views when we introduce a new computer science concept or want to cement our students' understanding of an existing concept. When teaching a coding lesson, often the first example may not resonate completely with a student or group of students. They need multiple views in which to evaluate a technique or proposed solution. In CS, I have found that many coding examples are math or science-based, and thus students with apprehension in those subject areas are better served with an example that is more real-world or business-focused. AI can really help here. Let's look at a simple AI prompt to create an alternate example. The one I chose is for using the modulus operator. A common use is to determine if a number is odd or even. However, your students may appreciate an example that's not so math-based. Consider how you would modify the prompt or make the prompt specific to an area of concern for you. Let's go look at some examples that our AI bot generated.